Hi, I'm going to show you how to use our short answer page type now. To get started, you're going to want to click on New Page and click on Short Answer in the menu. You can also create this in the Bulk Create menu. So short answer is great when you have a short question that you'd like students to respond to, and you don't want to take the time to grade all of those responses. So these work in a number of different cases. So I'll show you those different use cases here, and you can try them yourself. So the first use case I want to show you is simple fill in the blanks. In this case, I'm having students conjugate the verb ser in Spanish in the infinitive form to the correct form, which is soy in this case. So the student would reply with yo soy estudiante or soy, and that answer will be marked correct. If I click on the auto grading tab here down at the bottom, you're going to notice I filled in the correct answer, but you don't have to do this. This is optional. And the reason why it's optional is because we use AI to analyze what the correct answer is. If it's correct, we mark the student correct. If it's not, we give the student a short hint. So fill in the blank, what you're going to want to do is just use the underscore a couple of times. Again, it doesn't have to be any particular amount of times. Just use any underscore, and the AI will understand, oh, the student's filling in that blank. Another example of what you can do with short answer is ask students to translate phrases. So in this case, I'm asking them in Spanish, traduce, how are you, or how old are you? The student will simply have to respond with any age, and it will be marked correct. So perfect for translations about asking what their name is, how old they are, or truly any translation, as long as it's a valid Spanish translation, should be marked as correct. Another great use case for short answer is just simple questions which don't require a lot of feedback. We don't need to use a rubric like we do in our respond pages to analyze a simple question like ¿Cómo estás? Right? We can just simply use the short answer question, give that student immediate feedback, and move on. For factual based questions, it's also great because we don't need complex feedback for this either. I can just simply ask, hey, what's the capital of Spain? The AI will know exactly what the capital of Spain is. So again, you do not have to put in the correct answer here. It's just optional. So you might ask, when do I put in correct answers and when do I not put in correct answers? The best way to think about it is if you have very specific knowledge that you're trying to uncover for the student, you're going to want to add that knowledge here. So for example, if you ask the student, what's the name of your school? Well, that's different for everybody. So you'd want to put the name of the school here in the correct answer box. Otherwise, for the most part, the AI can do the heavy lifting for you and grade all of these. So no more time taken filling out all of the different correct answer options that a student could potentially enter. We're using the power of large language models to determine if an answer is correct or not. So again, to recap, you can do fill in the blanks, translations, simple questions, as well as fact-based questions, and many more on our short answer page type. So hope you enjoy.